a lot of people would think that Turkey's such a welcoming attitude towards Hamas, which is, which is seen, which is accepted as a terror organization by the United States, which is, as you said, giving unconditional support to Israel against Hamas's October 7 attacks. I have the tendency to believe that this is not the most important reason why the visit was postponed. I think the two sides have found an easy alibi to hide their substantial differences, because at the end of the day, Turkey and Germany are on the opposite sides when it comes to Israeli-Palestinian disagreements and the war in Gaza, right? However, we have seen the German president 3 days official state visit to take place, although both capitals are diametrically opposed on their stance in terms of Gaza, which tells me that when you want a visit to take place, you can manage your differences no matter how the views are diametrically opposed. I'm sure the fact that the two sides have differing views on Gaza have had its effect on the visit. But I am not sure this was a primary reason. On the contrary, I have the feeling that Turkish side, before going to Washington, tried to push Hamas for a delivery of the hostages, because I would imagine that President Erdogan would have liked to go to Washington he would have been welcomed more warmly had he succeeded in pressuring Hamas to release some of the hostages, because we know that the Turkish side is trying and working on the release of the hostages, but it hasn't bared any fruit.